Hey guys, good morning. So in this video, we're gonna see how order by really works in SQL Server. Okay. So let me know in the comment section what is the default sorting order. Pause the video and write it in the comment section. So here I have employees table consists of name, department, salary, and experience. So this is basically employee details. Okay, present in employees table. Okay. Now just refer this sample query. Understand the sample query basically. So here you can see we have multiple columns involved in order by, right? Department, salary, and then experience. Okay. So the default sorting order is nothing but ascending, right? If not mentioned, the default sorting order SQL Server will consider ascending order, okay, as the default sorting order. Okay. So now, based on this query, the SQL Server provided this output. Now let's understand step by step on what basis the SQL Server has provided this as the final output. Okay. So step 1, order by department. Okay. So how actually the sorting is done, we're gonna see that only. Okay. The purpose of this video is to understand how the sorting is done step by step. Okay. Internally, this how the sorting is done. Okay. So as you can see, as per alphabetical order, H comes first and then I, right? So HR department is sorted and then IT department. So this was the step 1. Here please note that order by department, here explicitly we haven't mentioned descending or ascending. So SQL Server considered to sort the department column as ascending. Okay. So first the sorting is done based on department, and then step 2, I'm just using the sample query only. Now I have added one more column, salary descending, comma salary descending. Okay, now I am running the step 1 and step 2 query both parallelly. So as you can see, we got the HR department, like indirectly we got the grouping of HR department in the sorting list, and then salary. Now as you can see, the salary is descending, that means highest salary first and then lowest salary at the bottom. Same for IT, in the IT department grouping also, highest first and then lowest at the bottom. So this was the step 2, right? Okay, salary in descending order, this was the step 2. Step 3 is, now with reference to step 2, we need to sort or order by experience column, that is in ascending order. Okay. So based on this output, we am just gonna add experience ascending. Now okay, so now I'm just running the step 2 and step 3 query. So what's the difference in the output? The department and salary sorting, as per salary is descending and department is by default ascending order, and then experience is done as per the ascending order. So just the purpose to make you guys understand is the sort order by with multiple columns. What actually we are just, it works like a series of tiebreakers. Now what that mean? Okay, here we got the HR department, and inside the HR I want to see the highest salary, but experience should be in the ascending order. So till here I am not getting the desired output, so I am considering experience column. I am just adding experience column in my order by clause. Okay, so now I am getting the tiebreaker. So in HR department, salary with 60,000, there are two employees, that is Sophia and Emma. Okay, Sophia has 1 year of experience, Emma has 4 years of experience. So from this, based on my business requirement, I got the output. So it acts as a series of tiebreakers. As per business requirement, I can get my desired output based on the sorting of columns. Okay. So in this way, so this is our final output, right? Based on the query. But how actually SQL Server did the sorting, we saw that thing here. Step by step process we saw here. Okay. So this was all about the order by. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any doubts. See you guys in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching.